Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive blend of performance, convenience, and versatility, making it a fantastic choice for both urban commuters and adventure seekers. Its robust 1000W motor offers a dynamic ride, allowing speeds of up to 30+MPH. This power is especially noticeable during uphill climbs, where the bike exhibits impressive torque, making it easy to navigate steep inclines without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features is the 48V 20AH removable battery, which not only enhances the bike's range but also promotes convenience. With a maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, this electric bike is perfect for long-distance rides, ensuring you can explore without the constant worry of running out of battery. The removable feature allows for easy charging. You can take the battery inside to charge while leaving the bike securely parked outside. The foldable design is another significant highlight. In today's urban environments where space is often limited, this feature makes it easy to store or transport the bike. It folds quickly and compactly, fitting conveniently into car trunks or under desks. The bike's construction feels solid and durable, with quality materials that inspire confidence in its design. The ergonomic design of the bike enhances comfort during rides, featuring a well-padded seat and adjustable handlebars that accommodate various heights. The bike also includes a bright LED headlight and taillight for safety during nighttime rides, ensuring visibility for both the rider and other road users. However, the bike is relatively heavy due to the motor and battery, which may be a consideration for those who need to carry it frequently. Additionally, while the assembly process is straightforward, some users may need assistance if they are not mechanically inclined. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike delivers impressive speed, range, and convenience, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or enjoy leisurely rides.